So today I've got 5 boxes, and I think by volume at least this is the largest unboxing I've ever done on the channel. Certainly not the heaviest, far from it, but largest by volume on my channel. So let's get into all these new boxes. So this is a medium-sized box. There are some larger ones and some smaller ones, well, 2 of each of course. So yeah, let's open this, and what do we have here? Oh look, envelopes. So yeah, these envelopes are medium-sized envelopes. They're really good for fitting things like GAN 356Ms in. They're also pretty good for stuff like Dian Tangyun V2Ms and Dian Guhong V4Ms, and just anything I'm not sure will fit in a small envelope. Also pretty good for Zilong stuff. Yep. So I mean, they're quite useful envelopes to have. So I've got a load there. Let's get on to box number 2, which is still sellotape to box number 3, unfortunately. And my scissors are sellotape there. Right, so let's open box number 2. Right, okay. Let's open the box. What do we have here? Oh look, smaller envelopes. So yeah, small envelopes are really nice for stuff like Mailong square ones, for example. Yeah, they just fit in nicely. They're also pretty nice for RS3M 2020s, most of which are underneath the camera right now. So yeah, you can just fit an RS3M 2020 nicely into the mailing envelope. So on to box number 3. Right, let's open this box. We have here, so it looks like we have even more small envelopes. So yeah, they're pretty good for stuff like well, just smaller cubes in general, basically cubes that don't come with loads of silly accessories. Unfortunately, lots of cubes do come with loads of silly accessories these days. Then again, occasionally they can be packaged down into a nice small box like the RS3M 2020s. But most companies like to use bigger boxes which require bigger, more expensive envelopes. Doesn't make that much difference though, because these are pretty cheap. So in the 4th box we have large envelopes. So these large envelopes are really good for stuff like Qi timers. You have to be careful though, because they have to go into the side, and you have to be careful to just seal them properly. They're also nice for things like Qi clocks. Qi clocks just go straight in. You can just about fit a Ling Ale clock in a large envelope, but it's a bit fiddly. And obviously Qi Pluses require large envelopes, and yeah, all of the MGC big cubes require large envelopes, but they fit pretty nicely in like that. So on to box number 5. I think we all know what's in box number 5 though, don't we? Box number 5. Okay. Box number 5. And what do we have here? Even more large envelopes. So, yep, that is the largest unboxing I have ever done by volume. Not by price or weight. These are pretty cheap and pretty light because obviously they're bubble envelopes. They're meant to be light. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please like it. Yeah, most of my videos will involve cubes. Well, I suppose this did involve cubes, didn't it, to be fair? I mean, it's about which cubes fit in the envelopes. But, yeah, most of my videos will actually involve cubing, not just silly stuff like this. If you have watched to the end of the video, here's a quick F2L tip. So here we have the back slot at the back facing me now, but obviously I've got to get it to face you. And in the front we have this slot here. So what you can do instead of a rotation is simply R2, F, R, F prime, R. And that solves the F2L pair into the back slot.